Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I feel like it's a little bit slower week, at least for what I would be looking for, but I'm going to go over the deals that I got, how I got all of this stuff for free without using any spin booster coupons. I'm also going to announce the winner of one of the giveaways I have going on. But before I get into that, happy Father's Day to all the awesome dads out there. I hope you have a wonderful day. I've seen my dad actually quite a bit recently. My brother's in town, so yesterday we all got together and hung out, but it's been kind of a weird couple of weeks. I think I told y'all my refrigerator went out, then my upstairs AC went out, then my downstairs AC went out, and my car needs $2,000 worth of work. Awesome. But my dad is very handy, and he came and helped fix both the AC issues, so that was amazing. So I hope y'all have a great day celebrating the awesome dads in your life. Now, giveaway. So I have a giveaway that I'm going to announce today. That is the winner of the Pogo Pass. But I also have another giveaway going on for the Get Out Pass. And that one's available in 31 different states. It is an amazing pass. I love it. So if you haven't gotten yourself entered, I will drop the link to the video down below. All you have to do is drop a comment on that video answering the question that I asked. But the winner of the Pogo Pass giveaway is Amy C. So thank you everyone who entered. Amy, if you can do me a favor, shoot me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. I also need you to go back to your original comment and comment again. That way I know it's you who's emailing me. So if you could do that, I will get you that family pack of passes. Now here's a freebie right off the bat. There is a free 8x10. If you go into the Walgreens app, you add an 8x10 photo to your cart, then type in the promo code FREE-EE. That's going to give you one free 8x10. No idea when that expires, so do it quickly. I did a couple of deals last night. So Saturday night, I popped in over to the store to take some pictures of clearance for you guys, but I found the Glucerna products on clearance. Lots of different products, and let me tell you a couple of different ways you can do this. There is a $3 digital coupon in your app, but these are marked down to $1.79. So when you're in store, you're gonna have to buy at least 2 of them to get above the $3 mark for that $3 digital to come off. So if you purchase 2 at $1.79, that would be $3.58. That $3 digital will come off when you have it clipped, making it 58 cents for 2 of the boxes. Now, another way you could do this would be to pick up one. Don't use a coupon, right? So it's $1.79, pick up one, then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you're gonna get $3 back. So that makes it completely free and $1.21 moneymaker. I did it both ways just to make sure it worked, and I could show you guys that it does in fact work. So that's a deal in store. Another in-store clearance find is this Lotrimin. This is $2.79 on clearance. So there's a $3 store digital. So unlike the manufacturer digital, the store digital is going to automatically adjust down to the price of the item. So if you picked up 3 of these at $2.79, $2.79 is going to come off 3 times. My store had one. I picked up one at $2.79. That $3 digital automatically adjusted down, making it free. Check the makeup aisle. Tons of clearance on the makeup aisle. And there's a lot of digital coupons that you can match up with that. Now, I did the Revlon. So these were marked down to $4.99. They're also buy one, get one half off. So $4.99 and $2.49. There was a $3 digital coupon. So at the register, I paid $4.48. There is an Ibotta offer for $4 back on each eye product. So I got $8 back from Ibotta, making these 2 eyeshadows free and a $3.52 moneymaker. Now there's also this CoverGirl. If you like to do it online, there's this CoverGirl concealer that's $3.29. There's a $4 digital coupon. When you do it curbside, it will adjust down to the price of the item. If you try to do it in store and an item is $3.29 and you have a $4 manufacturer digital, it's not going to come off. So it will for curbside, it will not if you try to do it in the store. In store, the item has to be at least as much as the coupon. So if you have a $4 coupon, you're looking for items that are above that $4 mark for that coupon to come off. Now, the U by Kotex. Now, these were on clearance in store for $6.49. Online, the price is $5.49, so it's a little bit better deal curbside, but you can choose how you want to do it. So $5.49, there's a $1 digital. You'll pay $4.49. Now, of course, you have to have a store that will give you a receipt on a curbside order. Then you submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you get $2.94 back, as well as to Ibotta, where you get $2 back. I also had an any receipt Ibotta offer, so I got an additional 10 cents back there, making this free and a 55-cent moneymaker. The Blink contacts, this is for dry contacts. It's $7.99. There's a $3 digital as well as a $4 store digital, and yes, you can combine those, making this just 99 cents. And then the Delamex taquitos, this is actually a better deal at Walgreens this week than it is at my local grocery store. So these are buy one, get one half off. So at my store, that made it $7.18 for 2 of them. And then there is a rebate on Ibotta for 75 cents back. So I got $1.50 back for purchasing 2 of them, making it $5.68 for both, or just $2.84 per box. A couple other deals I want to tell you about. The cashews and the nuts are $2.98, the Nice brand. The Bumblebee tuna is 3 for $3. There's a 15-cent rebate on Ibotta. So if you bought 3 for $3, you get 45 cents back on Ibotta, making it $2.55 for all 3, or 85 cents each. There's a number of Nice brand items at $1.99 this week. There's cereal, there's batteries, there's toilet paper, water bottles. All of those are $1.99, just sale price this week. And trying to think of what else. I feel like there was one more thing I wanted to tell you. Maybe that's it. I would love to know what deals y'all are doing this week. The Old Spice deal is not a bad deal. They're $7 each. They are buy 3, get a $5 register reward. There is a $5 off 3 digital coupon, and then there's a rebate for $2.50 back on Ibotta. Not a bad deal at all, especially if you're trying to use a spend booster. That might be a good scenario to throw in. Tons of stuff on clearance on the grocery aisle, on the makeup aisle. I'm going to include pictures of everything I found on clearance, including a few more deal matchups at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens and you have questions about how the different policies work, I have a number of tutorials that I think are particularly helpful. So I will link those down in the comments below. I'll pin it at the top, and you can go through those videos and learn the pieces that have been most confusing for you. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.